Stop 3D printing every color just to get listing photos. Today I'm going to show you how I create an entire product listing from a single 3D print using Agentic by Kittl. It's the perfect method to showcase different colors that you offer without having to waste filament or take the time trying to take a bunch of product listing photos, especially if you have a busy life. I'll leave a direct link to Kittl down below so you can navigate it easily and follow me as I go. It's actually really easy to navigate because once you go to kittl.com, Agentic is already available to you in this text box right here, and all you have to do is type in a few words of what you want to create out of your images. Or if you don't have an image and you want to create an image, you can do that here, and it does it for you with just a few words, which is pretty awesome. It saves you a lot of time and removes the stress of you trying to describe what you want in detail. So I'm going to show you how that looks with my 3D print photos that I took myself and how you can use it to create different product images for your Etsy shop, your Shopify, any kind of platform you are selling on. You can use this to easily create numerous pictures and videos for your shop. So let's get started. You just click this upload button and click the photos you want. So I'm going to go ahead and start with one of my coin sorters, and I only took about 2 or 3 pictures because I don't really have time to take so many different product photos. And you'll see today how many product photos I can create using Agentic with so little time and little effort. By clicking here, you can upload either an image you already have within Kittl or upload your very own file on your computer here. These are all of the pictures that I took on my phone of coin sorters that I made. I'm going to start off with one first. I'll start off with this mochi donut coin sorter one, and I'll upload both of them. I'll use these 2 images for my references. All I'm going to do here is type in a few words of what I want. I want several mock-ups with different variations and angles for a product listing. All I typed was several mockups and then different color variations and angles. Now all I do is hit enter and let it do the work. This is what it came up with. As you can see, they created different color variations. I really like this blue one right here, and it also gave it a realistic background. You can also tweak it from the same page. So if you want it to be specific colors, you can do that. Or if you want a specific color scheme, for instance, if you offer more pastel products, or if you offer neon products, or if you have different color palettes in mind, you can do that as well. Keep on tweaking it here. But again, I love how there's all these different kinds of images for my product listings. I'm going to tweak this a bit and give it a color palette, so I'll make it purple, pink, yellow, just pastel colors with different color bases. I'm going to select the one I think looks the best. I think this one looks the best. So now I have the 2 that I originally uploaded, and then I have the additional one that was made for me, and I'll go ahead and I'll do the same thing, type in a few words of what I want and let it do the job. This is what it came up with. I think this looks way better than the other one because I do prefer that more colorful look. You just keep doing this over and over until you get all the product photos that you like. But this is how you can easily create multiple mock-up photos for your product listings using Agentic by Kittl. I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try to make a product mock-up photo for both coin sorter designs. So I'll have one for the mochi donut and the cat alien that I drew out, so that I'll have an image of both of them together, since I have images of them separately and not together. And we'll see how that looks once I insert my prompt. I'm back at Kittl's homepage or AI hub, and again I still have Agentic selected. We're going to do the same exact thing. I'll hit upload, and instead of uploading just one of my products, I'll upload both, and then I'll insert my prompt and see what it shoots out. I already have this one selected, so I'll just select these 2, and then I'll upload my other one. There we go. I have my cat alien and I have my mochi donut, and I'll click use images and type in my prompt, remembering that you don't have to type in any long sentences. They can be short phrases, cutting straight to the point. All I typed in was combine these 2 products in a mock-up for a listing photo, plain pink background. And this is what it came up with. I think this looks perfect. I wanted the pink background. I like the way that they're side by side. And I did this by using 2 separate photos of my coin sorters, which I think is pretty cool. Then I'll go ahead and select this so that it adds it. Then I'll add another prompt. I want this one to also have different variations of the mochi donut and the cat one. So I'll ask it to make different colors and varieties of the coin sorters for this next picture. The prompt that I gave it was to make a product listing photo of these combined with pink, purple, and orange versions. And this is what it came up with. It came up with this really cute pink one, a purple, and an orange one. I think the orange one looks really good. Actually, what I want to do is I wanted to combine all of them and then give it a pink background. So I'll say combine all of these, combine these products in one image, and give all of them a pink background. This could be the cover photo for your product listing, and then the 3 separate ones could be uploaded individually. That way you have more product photos for your listing if they want to see how it looks in different colors. This is what it came up with. I think it looks really cute. I love this pink back here, and I like how they lined it up with each color variation. You can use this as your cover photo, and then you can use the remaining as the additional product photos. That's exactly how you can create product photos of your 3D prints with different variations of your products without having to print them individually. If you wanted to show how they look in a customized color or a customized look, you can do that by using the agentic feature from Kittl. I can confidently say that I'm really happy with how it came out. This works for all types of your 3D prints because, again, taking product photos can be a bit time consuming if you have a busy life. This really helps and saves you a lot of time, especially if you're trying to offer different versions of your 3D prints. Or it doesn't even have to be 3D prints. It can be anything else that you're selling that you want professional looking photos of for your shop. That is all I have for you today. Don't forget to check out Kittl and try out their agentic AI feature to create these awesome product listing photos for your shop. Until then, I cannot wait to see you in my next video, and goodbye.